Why are Zimbabwe and Zambia at odds? Let's break down the diplomatic clash shaking southern Africa. On June 23, 2024, relations between Zimbabwe and Zambia reached a boiling point. President Emmerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe accused Zambia of hosting US military bases, a claim that sparked a diplomatic row. Mnangagwa made these allegations during a visit to Russia, where he sought support from President Vladimir Putin. He stated that the US military presence in Zambia posed a threat to Zimbabwe's security, urging Putin for military backing. In response, Zambia's Foreign Minister, Mulambo Haimbe, dismissed Mnangagwa's claims as baseless and damaging to regional unity. Zambia has called on the Southern African Development Community, SADC, and the African Union, AEU, to mediate the dispute. The situation remains tense, with both nations looking to regional bodies for resolution. As diplomatic efforts unfold, the international community watches closely, hoping for a peaceful resolution to this budding conflict. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.